Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in person. I want to tell you a little bit about Card Club and how that works. So I'm going to start with showing you what is in the Card Club for November 2020. So if you're seeing this video later, it still applies basically. Just some of the items may be different in the future. So let me start with what is Card Club. Card Club is a monthly event that I will have an in-person class on the third Saturday here in Farmington Hills. However, you can also get club in the mail, which is pretty exciting. And the whole club is going to be $35 for in-person or for porch pickup. If you want it delivered, priority shipping is $8.95. So unfortunately, it does go up to $44. So I just want you to be aware of that. I can't do anything about the shipping price. There it is, right? Okay, so every month we are going to start with a particular stamp set, and all of the projects are going to be around that stamp set. This month for November 2022, we are going to be using the framed florets. I apologize if this is coming out backwards for you. But this is the stamp set. It is not available to customers until November 1st, which is the deadline for signing up for this particular club. It will always be on the 1st of the month. That gives me time to order the products in, get them cut and prepared, and ready to ship off to you after the third week of the month. Okay, so framed florets. It also has an amazing set of dies that comes with it. Let me show you those. Awesome frames and leaves and other things. Some of the dies do coordinate with stamps in the stamp set. Now this bundle will be available through the end of 2022 and will come out in the January to June mini catalog 2023. So we know it'll at least be available for that length of time. Right now, for you guys in November, there is a special that will include a limited edition holiday set called Framed and Festive. And it's very cute, and it all is part of the Framed Florets suite. Now that suite is a little bit more expensive, and we'll talk a little bit about that more later, but these are all the items, designer series paper, etc. Okay, so that's about the stamp set that we will be going around. The stamp set is not included in your card kit. However, if you order the bundle, or the stamp set, or the bundle, or the entire suite, we're going to have some specials for you. First of all, you won't pay tax and shipping on the bundle or the stamp set if you want to add that to your kit. But I do need to know at the time of your registration, okay? So let's talk about what do you get? I mean, that's the whole point, right? So let me show you what a bundle looks like. This is how your bundle will come. Everything will be packaged in this cello bag, either for a porch pickup or for the shipment. And inside, everyone is going to receive a half a pack of the gorgeous designer series paper. Let me show you if you can see them all. So it's a beautiful set of designer series paper. You're going to get a half a pack. Now I cut these 12 inches by 6 inches. However, if you are a porch pickup, I do that for shipping purposes, so it'll fit in the priority envelope. For a porch pickup for a class, if you want the 12 by 12 version, let me know. You still get a half a pack. It just won't be cut in half. Whenever there's designer series paper. Designer series paper may or may not be included as a half a pack in a kit. So like I said, this is a very generic what's in club video. So you're also going to get all kinds of accessories. This particular one is coming with these awesome swirled gems, also a limited edition. So sometimes you will get some kind of full pack of gems. This is a full pack. I know it looks tiny, but it is a full pack. And sometimes you will get a whole, or in this case, a half pack of ribbon. Sometimes it'll be, I know in fact next month is a whole pack of ribbon. And then you get everything you need to make the cards. And the way the cards are put together is you get inside the envelope, because Club gives you 4 designs, 2 of each. So you're going to get 2 envelopes. One will be tucked inside the other. There's a piece in here. Okay. You will get the pieces to make the card, the background, the extra pieces, the doodads and whatnots, etc. Whatever you need to make the card. The only thing is because you're part of Club and you're getting the designer series paper in this particular kit, I will not cut that designer series paper for you. You can cut it yourself. Then you can choose what you want to do. If you are not, if it's a Club month and you're not getting the whole pack of designer series paper, then yes, I will cut any of those papers for you and have them prepared, just so you know. But you get them all, and they will come like this. And then everything you need for each particular card will be in there. There will also be a private video for you to be able to watch so that you can see how to do that. However, you will get instructions, which I had. I had them here. I don't know where they are. Hold on. Okay. I couldn't find my pretty color ones. These are my samples where I fix my spelling and everything. But you can see that you get full instructions. Look, a little sneak peek of one of the cards. And everything you need to know. So even if you can't watch the video for whatever, you can figure out how to put the cards together. Now, the big question is, do you have to buy the recommended stamp set? And the answer is no, you do not. If you already have the stamp set, or maybe you just want to use something you already have, that is fine. That is totally okay. It's just the option to do that and get free tax and shipping, the Stampin' Up! Tax and shipping on that order if you choose to add it in to the $35 Club fee. So that is basically Club. Here is a quick sneak peek. I guess I should put that one on top of some of the cards, the 4 cards, well, 8 actually, that you will be doing. One of them is a fun fold, just so you know. I'm going to try to do a fun fold every month in Card Club because I just think it's fun, right? Here's an idea of something I did with the stamp set. You guys can see a video on that from October 2022 on my Facebook page, facebook.com/MemoryInkers. Okay, so now this is not going to fit on the screen and it's backwards anyway. So email me at MemoryInkers@gmail.com. MEMORYINKERS@gmail.com. And I would love to hear what you think. Anyway, that's my Card Club. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.